Calibration is a two-step process which involves the seed calibration and the wand calibration. The seed calibration using the L-frame establishes the lab's coordinate system. Place the L-frame in the middle of your capture volume, which typically could be the corner of one of your two force plates if you have force plates installed in your lab. Adjust the threshold and brightness of the cameras so that the cameras themselves can only see the centroids on the 4 markers of the L-frame. This is very important, and typically this is done during setup. Once this is done, you can double check to make sure each one of the cameras see only those 4 markers, and then go back into the 3-dimensional view and then click on Calibrate, Initial Calibration, and Next. Click on L-frame and click Next, and now you're ready to perform the wand calibration. Notice that the cameras on the bottom all turn yellow with the exception of 6, which is okay, because then we can use the wand calibration to extend the seed information to that camera. Go ahead and perform the wand calibration by waving the wand throughout your capture volume and ensuring that the cameras down at the bottom there, their field of view, only see those 3 markers. If they do, then they should turn green. So you want as much green as possible in each one of the cameras' field of view. Now, it's not required that it fills up with entire green, but you want as much as possible. This indicates that Cortex is correctly adjusting the lens that have been distorted over time. This process typically takes anywhere between 60 to 90 seconds depending on the number of cameras that you have and how big your capture volume is. Once the process is done, Cortex will then ask you to proceed into the next process, in which it is now processing all the errors in which the markers are being reconstructed in 3 dimensions. We call this a residual. And what you're looking for are the 3-dimensional residual average and standard deviation as shown here. This would be in the bottom left corner of this wand calibration window. And notice that for camera 6, Cortex already calculated the seed information based on the wand. So now for this calibration process, the 3-dimensional residual is about 0.5. 0.2, you want that number to be under 1, the standard deviation about half the average. Once calibration is done, save the setup file, and now your system is calibrated and ready for data collection. Thank you.